how to check a copyright status of a YouTube video. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So you need to have this application called YouTube Studio downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you may tap on open to open it up, and you should be finding this interface once you are logged in. After that, you may head over to the content tab in the second option at the second right beside dashboard. Tap on it, and you may try looking up for the content that you think has been copyrighted. For example, this one right here. So you may just go ahead and tap on it, and if you think that video is copyrighted, here under this video section, it will basically directly show that your video has been copyrighted. It will show you this letter of copyright, and you should be finding that your video has been copyrighted. This is one of the methods you can apply up in order to look if your videos has been copyrighted or not. Otherwise, if you want to look up for other people's videos that if they have copyright or not, you can go ahead and open up your YouTube app instead, and go ahead and look up a video in which you think it has copyright. So go ahead and look up the video, for example, this one right here. And then once you locate up the video, you may head over the more tab. And here you should be finding description. You may head over to description. There usually you will be finding copyright claims or description that tells that the video has copyright claims. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.